Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. For today's Mini Monday savings, I will be using my matcha tea challenges, rolling the dice, and randomizing. We are still on the road to 10K. Stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Cubatis, and today I am saving 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $30. And I will be rolling the dice. And this is She Faithfully Plans by Crafty Nurse Q. And all of the challenges I will have linked in case some of I have some freebies linked because usually I am using freebie challenges when I do my mini savings. And everything here, like I just did these as the dashboards, but they coincide with what's in this binder. But I wanted to switch these up a bit so that I can make sure that everything gets this right, that gets an equal amount, because sometimes it seems like this guy just be wanting to pick the same number. And I'm just going to hide that little spicy. All right. And whatever it lands on, it will get 2 bills. All right. Number 4. And I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, okay. First spot, it's 2 bills. 1, 2, fifth spot gets, oh, I still put that in number 5 spot, didn't I? Sixth spot gets 2 bills. Okay. Number 3rd spot gets 3 bills. All right. The 2nd spot gets 3 bills. All right. Second spot again. 4th spot. And we got the 3rd spot here again. Number 3 again. Number 3 again. Okay, number 3 again. And number 3 again. See, but this time that was the number 1 spot that got all the 3s. That would have just been the number 3 getting everything. So I said I have to switch this up some. That is like, wow. Okay, so let me get this here so that it can be organized. And how is your day going? How is your savings going? We are currently, the children are on spring break right now. And we do have an appointment today. It's out of town. That's the only reason I mention it, because we have an appointment to get my husband to. That is out of town, but we are managing to get through it. I know I did go ahead and I had to start cash stuffing my variable expenses again because it was starting to get out of control. And anytime that happens, you just need to tighten it up a little bit and see what's happening. Because you can, if stuff is going a certain way for a long time, it's like, okay, good. But then after a while, you just have to tighten back up on the spending. So anyway, how are you doing? Are you tracking your expenses frequently? Do you do it weekly? All right. And this matcha tea savings, this is my challenge. I did link these over for my 1,500 subscriber freebie. Thank you all, anyone who has subscribed to the channel. Let me see how many this saved today. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in this challenge today. See, this challenge was kind of going through the struggle. I don't know if it just didn't seem like hitting that 1. So 12 is got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more dollars for this challenge now. And it will be complete. Hopefully I can get some of these completed. And I always, at the end of the month, I pull out all of my completed challenges to see how far I've gotten for the month. Okay, and here, this is in my matcha era. In the number 2 spot, and it got 2 bills today. So I get to mark off 1 more of these because they're worth $2 each. And we're just going to keep going, working towards this. And this is by Breezy Budget. And it will be linked below. She is on YouTube and she has a Ko-Fi shop. All right, in this number 3 spot, we have a challenge by Doodle Dollars. 1, 2, 3, and this one got $4 today. So let me mark off one of these because they're worth $3 each. But let me see exactly. I might be able to mark off another one. So we got total 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that will be 6 need to be marked off. Okay. And then the next time if we get an extra dollar, we'll be done. This one actually only needs a couple more. It only needs like $5 more now, $4 more, I think, to be completed. So that is excellent. All right, this number 4 spot today did get $5, 6, 7, $8, and it is a cute challenge as well. Another cute challenge by Toya Denise Budget, and I said it got $8, and these are worth $4 a piece, each icon. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it needs like $4 more to be completed. Okay. So getting real close. All right, in this number 5 spot, it got $2 today. Some progress though. All right, and this is a challenge by Teacher Mom Budgets. And it got $2 and it saves 20 once it's complete. We're just gonna keep it. Tackling away at all of these every week. You know, I have a playlist link. We'll have that. I mean, that number 3 spot just got all of them. All the bills this time, didn't it? Like, wow. Okay. And this one got $2 more, and it is Budget by Tina. And I also bought this. I bought this on, well, it was a freebie on Ko-Fi as well. All right. And that is the savings for today. Hopefully you are having a great week, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure you check out the playlist if you want to see how all of the challenges are going towards this 10K challenge. All right. Have a blessed day. Bye.